In this video, I will show you how to download and use WorldEdit in Minecraft for Modrinth and CurseForge Dowloand. Make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, because I'll be uploading some great videos in the summer. First, go to Google Chrome or your browser of your choice. Type in WorldEdit Modrinth. Type in enter, and you will see a Minecraft plugin. It's not a plugin, you can use it as a plugin as well, but we need a mod. So we're gonna do WorldEdit CUI. Click on that, and you will see the mod is over here. And then after you click on it, download. Press on download. As always, choose your version, fabric or quilt, and press on download. After the download has downloaded, comment, type in Minecraft launcher. Click on enter and let your Minecraft launch. Okay, so after your Minecraft has launched, click on installations, choose the version that you want, which should be modded. If you don't know how to mod, you can check my other videos. Click on the files thing over here, scroll down until you see mod over here. Okay, it's over here. You should have Fabric API downloaded, as I told you in my other mods video. You should have Fabric API downloaded. Why? Because most of the mods you will be downloading will need Fabric API, so download that as well. And guys, come to your downloads, drag the mod file to mods file, drag the mod to the mods file, and if you close the mod file, and then just close your browser if you want, and launch Minecraft. Alright guys, now coming to the CurseForge Dowloand, type in WorldEdit mod CurseForge. Click on enter, click on the first link or the link down below. And then guys, over here you have files, right? You click on the files, and you will see WorldEdit. You will have WorldEdit Fabric for the Snapchat version 26.2, for the version 1.21.11. Choose your version, and then over here, click on download. Once you have finally chosen your version, your download will start in 5 seconds, and you will see our file is downloading. And then guys, like I said, in the moderate one, you need to come to Minecraft launcher, and guys, just come to installations. After you come to installations, you need to choose the version that you have modded, and you need to choose the version that you have modded. If you don't know how to mod, you can mod. You can learn how to mod in my other video, which will be linked in the description. And guys, open installations folder, scroll down till you see mods, double click, and guys, just drag your download to the mods folder. And guys, you should already have downloaded the Fabric API. I've already showed them in my video, like I mentioned. Okay, look at the Minecraft is launched. Click on single player, create a new world, or choose the world that you want to play on. Let's name the world WorldEdit. Survival creative, enter the creative to use the mods, create new. Alright guys, now all the first things to do, I'll show you how to use the wand. Type in //wand, and you will get a wand like this, or just a for the next one in your inventory. Now guys, when you do this, let's say you want to make a box, right? Alright guys, after you got your wand, let's say you want to make a box, right? Left click on where it should start, and left click when it should finish. PM over here. And then you need to type in // set the block you want. Let's do blue wool, and then enter. Now guys, we got ourselves a blue wool box over here, as you can see. And then guys, let's say you did it in the wrong place, so / undo, and the blue wool will be gone. Or you can do redo and to the back. And guys, that's pretty much it. And guys, that's pretty much it for WorldEdit. If you want me to make an in-depth video about WorldEdit, write down in the comments. And guys, don't forget to subscribe for insane tutorials like this one. And guys, don't forget, 1 subscriber even matters. And I hope you have a great day.